Milescraft is proud to introduce you to their CenterFinder. With imperial and metric options available, you're sure to find a version to complement your layout needs. The Milescraft CenterFinder is also self-centering. This allows you to quickly and accurately mark the center line along the face or edges of material that are less than 1.5 inches thick. Simply insert the included number 2 pencil into the center hole, rotate the CenterFinder so the guideposts contact your material, then slide the tool along your material, scribing your line as you go. For marking offsets, use the CenterFinder on one of the flat sides. Select your offset, then use a pencil to either mark your desired offset or scribe your offset line. Laying out lines for trim reveals can also be done with the CenterFinder. In the Imperial version, offsets range from 1/16 to 5/8 of an inch in 10 1/16 increments. In the metric version, offsets range from 1 mm to 20 mm in 20 1 mm increments. The ABS plastic body is small enough to keep in your shop apron or in your pocket for a quick retrieval during your project. With the built-in magnet and pencil holder, storing your CenterFinder could not be any easier. For more information about this product, please visit milescraft.com. Milescraft, always the better idea.